Hello and welcome everybody to a new video, a new review, and a new pair of shoes that just released. And yes sir, the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Yeezreels. They are crazy vibrant, super bright. This shoe released on December 14th as part of like Yeezy month. Like there is a lot of Yeezy shoes releasing this month. Now this shoe obviously retails the same as all the other Yeezy V2s at $220, £180. This is the non-reflective version. The reflective version is actually coming in a little bit more expensive at $250. And obviously, like all the other reflectives, it has that reflective 3M material woven into the upper. If you've tried on Yeezy 350s before, you know that already you want to go up half a size because they do fit kind of snug. However, I got these in my true to size and they do fit kind of snug, but I'm okay with that. And if it ever gets a little bit uncomfortable, I'll always just be able to take out the sole. And that way that feels pretty comfortable without the sole anyway. This shoe specifically is very similar to the glows that were released a lot earlier. These are just a little bit more yellowish rather than so green like the glows. Specifically, you can see around like the ankle area, there's a lot of more yellowish tones. With this pair, as opposed to the glows, it has this black like static pattern woven in all over the top of the shoe, all over the prime knit. So the name of this shoe, Yeezreel, comes from a Hebrew term, Yeezreel, which actually means, or translated to English, is God will sow. So obviously it's like a play on his name, Yeezreel, instead of Yeezreel, which is quite interesting. This month, December, we have a huge amount of Yeezys releasing. We had the Aliens on the 12th. Then we had this pair right here on the 14th. And then we had the Yeezy 500 Slate High, and that released on the 16th. We have these in reflective releasing on the 16th or the 17th. And then on the 18th of December, we have the Yeezy 700 Carbon Blue. And then on the 20th of December, you have the Yeezy Yeezreel. So that's the black Yeezy 350 with like the different colors, the red, the blue, and all the other colors. Surprisingly, on the 21st, we've got a restock of the Yeezy Zebras, and they're restocking on the 21st on Yeezy Supply. I don't know if they'll be anywhere else. On December 23rd, we have the new Yeezy 700 V3 Azales. And that is a shoe I'm quite excited for. They are going to be very limited, but they're releasing on the 23rd. So let me know what is your most anticipated, or the one that you're going to try and get. We've already had 2 or 3 pairs by now, and I think, in my opinion, the ones I'm most excited for are the Yeezy 700 Carbon Blues, and for sure the Yeezy 700 V3 Azales. And that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching.